Hello, let us solve one question from CSN Net on 20 November, calculus of variation part B. The question is the extremal of the functional j of y is equal to integration from 0 to 1 to y dash square plus xy dx, where boundary conditions are y0 is equal to 0 and y of 1 is equal to 1 is option 1 y is equal to x square by 12 plus 11x by 12, option 2 y is equal to x cube by 3 plus 2x square by 3, option 3 y is equal to x square by 7 plus 6x by 7, option 4 y is equal to x cube by 24 plus 23x by 24. Solution: to solve this question we have to know Euler equation. Here the extremal is j of y is equal to integration from 0 to 1 to y dash square plus xy dx, and boundary condition are y of 0 is equal to 0 and y of 1 is equal to 1. Now Euler equation is if j of y is equal to integration from a to b f of x, y, y dash and so on to yn dx, then del f by del y minus d by dx of del f by del y dash plus and so on to plus minus 1 to the power n nth derivative of dxn of del f by del y n is equal to 0. Now here f of x, y, y dash is equal to 2 y dash square plus xy, so the Euler equation will be del f by del y dash minus d by dx of del f by del y dash is equal to 0. Now del f by del y is equal to x and del f by del y dash is equal to 4y dash. Put this value in this equation, so we will get x minus d by dx of 4y dash is equal to 0. This implies that x minus 4y double dash is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this differential equation. Now x minus 4y double dash is equal to 0. This implies that 4y double dash is equal to x. This implies that y double dash is equal to x by 4. Here the auxiliary equation will be m square is equal to 0. This implies that m is equal to 0 with multiplicity 2. So the complementary function is equal to c1x plus c2. Now we have to find one particular integral. So particular integral is 1 by d square of x by 4. Now we have to integrate x by 4 2 times. This is equal to 1 by 4 into, when we integrate first time we will get x square by 4, and when we integrate second time then we get x cube by 6, which is equal to x cube by 24. Now the general solution of y is equal to c1x plus c2 plus x cube by 24. Now we use the boundary condition y0 is equal to 0. This implies that c2 is equal to 0 and y of 1 is equal to 1. This implies that c1 plus 1 by 24 is equal to 1 and c1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 24 is equal to 23 by 24. So the general equation will be y is equal to 23 by 24x plus x cube by 24. So for this question option 4 will be the correct answer.